Hi, thanks for checking out this video about the old Speedster, the Flitetest Speedster. Nice, easy build, 3-channel plane. I was curious to see how it would manage outdoors because I think it's mostly built for indoor flying. A little bit gusty here and the second time I launched, a little bit more power, more gentle turn just to get the feel because it's the very first time out. And pretty quickly it starts to feel enjoyable. It's nice, lazy, slow flying. So I put in a 1000 kV motor into it. I think it's a 30 amp ESC and an 850 milliamp 3S battery right up the very front. So made for a nice gentle cruising, just practicing how slow I could fly there while stalling, but I was wary of her tipping over when she's face side on because it is a big wingspan, easily affected by the breeze. This just shows something that happens. Sometimes it can be hard to fly level using just the rudder controls. And again, when a breeze came along, just having 3 channels, no ailerons, made it feel less controllable. I was able to pull the loops and stuff, but just seemed, if a gust caught it the wrong way, it might just throw it out of control. So I wondered, could I stick an extra channel on this? Could we put ailerons? How easy might it work? Would it help eliminate all of this twitchiness? Not a great landing, but at least it's intact. So here we go. Popped on, just cut out about 10 centimeters either side, kept it in close to the fuselage so the weight wouldn't be too far out. And surprisingly, it seemed to suit it quite well. Straight away, everything just felt more in control. Haven't been flying very long, so I'm not sure how much movement is muscle memory and what's just guesswork. But it just felt, out on a similar breezy day, the plane just felt so much more in control and I was just so much more inclined to try to do things. The ailerons aren't huge and they are in close to the fuselage. As I said, they'd be better out further out along the wing for better authority, but they seem to be plenty. At this stage now, a few minutes in, I was beginning to really enjoy flying the plane. You could fly slowly, you could fly pretty fast. Great response. It's using the elevator more than the rudder, but the plane definitely works best using both or even all 3 surfaces for maneuvers. But absolutely loads and loads of fun. A lot more control over how it flew. Coming around into the wind. Vertical climbs, no problem. She even glides surprisingly well. I just didn't want to land, I just wanted to get flying. I wasn't sure how long that battery was going to last because it's a small enough battery. But she kept climbing. Just trying for some tail spins, full left rudder, full right aileron. Never tried anything like that before. And then when you're finished playing, she just straightens out. There's so many different planes I've tried before and they just go into a tailspin and I couldn't retrieve them. This one just was so easy, so relaxed. That's definitely my most favourite plane. And a nice sound from that motor, the 1000 kV motor with the big prop. The whole thing just feels nice and relaxed. I found I was just inclined to try to do things that I wouldn't have tried doing on other planes. I suppose that's a good sign. Same battery, kept putting it back up. It's just gliding in the wind there. I think the motor's off. And the undercarriage is off because it's on grass, and I think it's just less stress in the prop for landing on anything other than hard surfaces. So I hope you found this video useful. Tune in again, please. Thanks very much.